get loose.
They're a little tight, aren't they?
No, they're not that tight.
You say they're 13. So that's
13.
13?
Yeah, 13.
Yeah, now just pull that this direction and pull it up out of
Wait, what direction? This direction?
towards the back of the engine, yeah. You see, pull this up out of the hole and there'll be a seal right there. There you go. Just lift it. That seal is the one that she told you needed to replace.
Okay.
So,
Drop it here?
yeah, just put it in the pan.
Okay, now done.
There you go. And now you can take the pan out from under the
Sure. Wait, hang on. Let me clean up this area.
grills and all that stuff.
Let me clean up this area. Oh, what about the bolt? Where did it go? Wonderful. Maybe it's dropping the oil pan.
What bolt?
The bolt. Oh, they put it here too. It's gonna go into this box.
Screw the bolts back up into that plate. Where, in the holes where they go. So you don't lose them. There you go.
Okay. Alright. Yes, sir. Hang on. I don't do anything yet. Let me clean up the tool. I don't want to be like you, throw everything and then we don't know what to do with it.
You're also going to need a couple of big trash bags.
Really?
Here's the Tyvek suit. You're going to get nasty.
Put it on right now?
Yeah, in a little bit. Here, put these on the bottom so you don't soak the cardboard or the boards with oil, because they're just going to keep dripping. It's not going to stop dripping for days.
So put the double one.
Yeah, you put a couple down. Now let's get the pan out. Come on around here. So we can get the camera. You pulling the pan out here. Yours is easy to do. Mine was hard to do. So kind of get under here with the camera. Show them how you get the pan out. It's pretty easy on your truck because we have it up on this block. We have these blocks.
Yeah.
Come on out with the pan. Take the whole pan out.
Take it out.
Yeah. There you go.
Am I smashing that valve right there?
Nope, you're good. You're good. Come on out. All right. Yep. There you go. Just turn it sideways. Turn it around. Yeah. There you go. It's got a lot of oil in it still, so you're gonna want to drain that. But we don't want to put that oil in with your good clean oil. We want to just put that somewhere where we can recycle it or use it for something else. Because that's used oil. Alright, just leave those down there so that the oil can drip onto them. Otherwise it's going to soak your boards.
Okay.
It's like I say, you sit here, it's going to drip for days, so it's not going to stop. Go ahead and take your pan and let's set it aside. And
With this one, we can do the pressuring test, right?
Hmm?
You mean the coolant test, the pressuring test, and see if it's dripped out to the...
anytime you pull the pan off, yeah, you're right. Anytime you pull the pan off, you want to do a coolant pressure test to your engine, especially if it's old.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that.
Yeah, that's what I said when the oil pan's off. So
Yeah.
do that because we're going to leave it overnight to see how much it dripped. It's dripped out here, which means...
Right. So we're going to pressurize your coolant system, and we're going to look for any coolant intrusion. Yes. Anytime you pull the pan off an engine, if it's got even if I had a brand new engine, I had to pull the pan right off of it because of some problem or some issue.
Do you want to do that?
I would still do a coolant pressure test just
because it's off.
Because there's no reason not to.
Yeah.
This is the only time you can do that test to see if you have,
Yeah.
any kind of coolant pressure issues in the engine. So we'll do that. Yeah.
So the oil pan's out.
Yeah. Let's take it out and
You want to...
continue. Cut. So this pan has never been off. I finally got a little oil drained, and there's no metal shavings in here at all. There's a little bit of silicone or something.
Yeah, because every
Here's a piece of metal.
What is it?
Oh,
That's plastic. That is plastic from one of your oil cooling nozzles. That's not a good sign.
Uh-oh.
So you need to check your oil cooling nozzles, make sure one of them ain't cracked or it doesn't have a chip in it.
So the oil cooling nozzle, where's it at?
Yeah, that's a piece of it too.
So where's the oil cooling nozzle?
Those are the cooling nozzles that cool your pistons.
We are talking about the infame, or what are we talking about?
No, just make sure that one of them isn't chipped or something.
How do we get into that?
I don't see any problem. There's a little tiny piece of metal there. No big deal.
Yeah.
Here's
You want us to stop?
another piece of oil cooling nozzle.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a piece of black, crumbly plastic of some sort. little tiny chip of this and that. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Here's a piece of O-ring. So, that probably came from an oil filter or something. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, she did.
Yes.
Okay.
I showed up.
Oh, that's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Okay. He looks like a Oompa Loompa from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, except he's under the oil factory.
You're kicking my butt out or what?
Yeah.
No.
This suit is great because it covers your head, your ears. It's going to get everywhere. It's going to get in your face. It just doesn't stop dripping. So that's what I wear when I get under there. It's better to wear that suit, believe me. Now, those things are pretty cheap from Amazon, so just throw it away when you're done. Cut.
Rolling.
That's number 3. It won't be out.
All right,
The
you're
battery's low.
gonna need a breaker bar. They're very tight.
You need a breaker bar?
Yeah. Cut. I'll get you one. There you go. Watch your hand. Don't get your knuckle on this. Lower the bar a little bit. Lower this. There you go. Like that. So you don't get your knuckle.
On. I tied it, huh?
No, it's loosening.
No, that's a move.
They're tight, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's why I say you need a breaker bar.
Only one shit. 10 to go. Only one. I have another knife. Wait. It's got to be on yet. It's not on yet.
Get it on there, buddy.
Yeah, but.
Get it?
Okay.
There you go.
King Kong is coming.
Okay. Yeah. I'm all loose. You ready?
Yep.
Why you need to put the bar down low enough so you don't bust a knuckle. Now you know why I got you a cheater bar. I knew they were going to be tight.
I don't.
You get it by yourself?
I try.
Oh, you're too crooked now. There you go.
It's not easy.
Let me see your 15's better or my 15's better. Your 15's better.
That's an impact 15.
Yeah, but
That's a good one.
that 15 kind of crooked when I
Yeah.
don't want to cook it because when you just you're forcing my strip just like.
You got it?
Yeah.
Keep going. There you go. You get that front one?
Yeah, the two already.
Okay. That one loose.
That one loose. Nope.
Shorter extension.
Yeah.
You want to find him a little bit shorter extension cylinder, ½ inch?
Sure.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Get it from that angle. Here. Let me see it wrench. What you do is you go like this. And turn it 90 degrees.
It's what easier?
Well,
go different
get a
angle?
different angle, yeah. There you go, see? Got it?
Yeah. Okay, all boat have about 1 ton now. 1 ton in there. What do you want me to do?
Start taking it off.
Just drop it, right?
Yeah, start taking it off.
Okay. Forget about the boat later.
Yeah, get the bolt after you deal with the plate.
Huh?
Get the bolt after you deal with the plate. There you go. Alright, here, hit it to me.
Just don't grab the hole. No, that.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it's a little sharp. I know it is. Be careful with it. Here you go. Cut.